lot of people put up with tightness and discomfort between the shoulder blades where they carry a lot of stress. And they really don't have to. There's a really good stretch you can do almost anywhere, almost anytime, and all you need is a doorway. So let's get started with what we call the door stretch. Start by standing near a doorway with your inside shoulder a few inches from the edge of the doorway and with your feet at a 45-degree angle facing into the doorway opening. Reach directly across your body with your outside arm and grasp the doorway at about shoulder height. Keep your inside shoulder pointed towards the doorway while you lean your body away from the door, feeling a stretch between your shoulder blades. Hold this stretch for about 30 seconds before relaxing. Perform 3 repetitions of this stretch for greatest benefit. It's important to remember not to bounce while doing this stretch, as it will diminish the beneficial effect of doing it. Also, avoid letting your inside shoulder drift away from the doorway. Keep your body positioned such that the inside shoulder stays pointed towards the doorway. Of course, this stretch can be done on both sides of the body, simply by switching from one side of the doorway to the other. Once you're comfortable performing this stretch, you will find that you can isolate those specific sore muscles that you have by raising or lowering your hand position in the doorway where you grasp the door. I hope that you have good results using the door stretch. I've seen it work for so many other people, and I'm betting that it's going to work for you too. Thank you for your time and attention today. This Chiropractic Health Channel presentation has been brought to you by the Bennett Clinic. At the Bennett Clinic, we combine chiropractic care, massage therapy, physical rehabilitation, and more to help our patients get off the downhill pain management treadmill to nowhere and live the life that they want and deserve. Find out more about how we at the Bennett Clinic can help you by visiting the Bennett Clinic website at www.bennettclinic.net or call for an appointment at 928-771-9400. For many more health enlightenment moments, just click the subscribe button below. And if you liked what you learned today, please click the like button as well.